We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a detailed overview of the Bundaloo basketball laundry hamper. This product has been designed to make tidying up a fun and engaging activity, especially for kids, by combining a basketball hoop with a laundry hamper. If you own this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Bundaloo basketball laundry hamper is a unique and creative solution for keeping bedrooms clean and organized. It's aimed at encouraging children to pick up their dirty clothes by turning the chore into a game. The product features a basketball hoop that mounts over any standard bedroom door, allowing kids to shoot their dirty laundry into the net. The backboard measures 11.75 by 18 inches, and the entire setup is lightweight and easy to install without requiring advanced tools or complicated assembly steps. The bottom of the net can be untied, making it simple to drop clothes directly into a laundry basket. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to transform a mundane task into an enjoyable experience. Parents have noted that their children feel a sense of accomplishment when they successfully shoot their clothes into the hamper. This has proven particularly effective for kids who are otherwise reluctant to pick up after themselves. Many reviewers have shared that this product has significantly reduced clutter in their children's rooms as more clothes end up in the hamper rather than scattered on the floor. The build quality of the Bundaloo basketball laundry hamper has received mixed feedback. The backboard is made of particle board, while the rim is constructed from metal. While some users have praised its sturdiness, others have reported issues with durability, particularly with the rim bending under the weight of clothes after only a few weeks of use. Additionally, some customers noted that the net arrived frayed at the ends or lacked a drawstring for closure, which detracted slightly from their overall satisfaction. Ease of installation is another highlight of this product. Many users appreciated how quickly and effortlessly they could set it up over their doors without causing any damage or preventing the door from closing properly. However, some reviewers mentioned that the hoop does not stay upright when not in use, which could be an inconvenience for those who prefer a neater appearance when the hamper isn't actively being used. In terms of design and functionality, this product appeals to both younger children and teenagers. Parents have shared stories of their kids using it not only as a laundry hamper, but also as a makeshift basketball hoop for recreational play. While this dual-purpose use adds an element of fun, it may also contribute to wear and tear over time. For example, one reviewer mentioned that their grandson treated it primarily as a basketball goal rather than a laundry hamper, which led to frequent reassembly of the netting. The capacity of the hamper is another aspect worth noting. With a volume of 44 liters, it can hold a decent amount of clothing before needing to be emptied. This makes it suitable for daily use in most households with children. However, if overloaded or used too roughly, the rim may struggle to maintain its shape. Customer service from Bundaloo has been positively mentioned in some reviews. The company offers a satisfaction guarantee and encourages customers to reach out if they encounter any issues with their product. This level of support provides peace of mind for buyers who may be hesitant about purchasing due to concerns about durability or quality control. Overall, the Bundaloo basketball laundry hamper has proven to be an effective tool for motivating kids to keep their rooms tidy while adding an element of fun to an otherwise mundane task. Its ease of installation and creative design make it an appealing choice for parents looking for innovative ways to encourage good habits in their children. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations in terms of durability and consider whether it will withstand regular use in their household. If you're interested in purchasing this product or learning more about it, you can find it through the link provided in the description. Your support helps us continue creating detailed reviews like this one. And if you already own this item, please leave your review in the comments below. Your feedback could make all the difference for someone considering this purchase.